Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on discrete mathematical structures. In this lecture video, we'll be discussing about isomorphism, problems on isomorphism. So first we will start with defining isomorphism. To define this isomorphism, I'll be taking two graphs G and G dash. This G dash graph is an image of the graph G. So consider two graphs, G is equal to V comma E and G dash is equal to V dash comma E dash. So where V is the vertex set of the graph G and E is the edge set of the graph G. V dash is the vertex set of the graph G dash. E dash is the edge set of the graph G dash. So now suppose there exists a function called f from V onto V dash such that, so now to say this f is an isomorphism, we have to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is f must be an one-to-one correspondence and for all the vertices a and b of the graph G and an edge set a comma b of the graph G if and only if f of a and f of b is an edge of the graph G dash. So then we'll be saying f is called isomorphism between v and v dash, and the graph with this kind of isomorphism will be called as an isomorphic graph. That is, the graphs G and G dash are the isomorphic graphs. So actually to say that two graphs are isomorphic, we have to satisfy mainly four conditions. The first condition is the number of vertices in both the graphs must be same. The second condition is the number of edges in both the graphs must be same. Third condition is the degree sequence of both the graphs must be same. Fourth condition is there must be a one-to-one correspondence between all the vertices and all the edges of both the graphs. So with this condition we can say the two graphs are isomorphic to each other. Isomorphism of digraphs. So I'll be taking two digraphs D1 and D2. So these D1 and D2 are said to be isomorphic if there is a one-to-one correspondence between their vertices and between their edges. So it will be called as an isomorphism of digraphs. Problems on isomorphism. So the first problem is prove that two graphs are shown below are isomorphic. So they have given two figures here. This first figure consisting of four vertices and the graph number 2 consisting of four vertices. The first condition satisfied here, that is the number of vertices in both the graphs are same here. Second one, the first graph having four edges and the second graph also having four edges. So the second condition that the number of edges in both the graphs are same. Third one, the degree we'll find. So at V1 we are having 2 degree and here also the degree of this vertex is 2 and the degree of this vertex also will be equal to 2 and degree of this vertex also will be equal to 2 here, and same thing here also, the degree of this particular vertex is 2 and here also 2, 2, 2. So the degree of sequence for both the graphs are same. So the first three conditions are got satisfied here. So now we have to find the one-to-one correspondence between vertices and edges. So that I want to find now. So first we'll find the one-to-one correspondence between vertices. I mean we have to find a mapping between and vertices of both the vertices of both the graphs. So we can see here and mapping between U1 between V1, between U2 and V4, U3 and V3, U4 and V2. I mean all these vertices are same for both the graphs. So now we'll be finding the one-to-one correspondence between the edges of both the graphs. So we can see the one-to-one correspondence between the edges U1 U2 to V1 V4, U1 U3 to V1 V3, U2 U4 to V4 V2, U3 U4 to V3 V2. So with this condition we can say that there is a one-to-one correspondence between all the edges of both the graphs. So according with all these four conditions we can say that the two graphs what they have given are isomorphic to each other. Problem number 2, show that two graphs need not to be isomorphic even if they have the same number of vertices, the same number of edges and equal number of vertices with same degree. So with this condition also we can prove few graphs are not isomorphic. So in this connection I'll be taking two graphs with this condition. I mean same number of vertices, same number of edges and same degree of the vertices. With this condition also we can say that two graphs are not isomorphic. So we can see here this graph consisting of 6 vertices, and this graph also consisting of 6 vertices, and this graph having 5 edges, and this graph also having 5 edges. So now we'll check for one-to-one correspondence between these two graphs. So as I told, like the two graphs having same number of vertices and same number of edges here, and in the first graph we can observe that the graph v1, v5, v6 of the first graph, and the vertices of the vertices APR of the second graph will be having degree 1. I mean all these vertices of first and second graph having degree 1. So now the vertices v2 and v3 of the first graph and the vertices b and q of the second graph having a degree equal to 2. I mean all these two vertices of first graph and second graph having degree 2, and I'm going for the vertex v4 of both the first graph and the vertex C of the second graph having degree equal to 3. But with this condition also we can say that these two graphs are not isomorphic. This is because of the two pendant vertices of the vertex v4 which having degree 3 in the first graph, and only one pendant vertex of the second graph having degree 3 here. So with this condition, I mean in the graph 1 two pendant vertexes will be having degree 3. In the second graph only one pendant vertex will be having degree 3 here. So with this condition, so we can say that there is a no one-to-one correspondence between both the graphs here. So we can say these two graphs are not isomorphic to each other. Next example, show that the following two graphs are isomorphic. So we can see here they have given some two graphs here, graph 1 and graph 2. Graph 1 having 6 vertices and graph 2 having 6 vertices, and the number of edges in both the graphs also same, and the degree sequence for both the graphs will be equal to 3 only. So with this 3 condition now we cannot tell that two graphs are isomorphic. So we have to check for one-to-one correspondence also. So now I'll be checking the one-to-one correspondence between both the graphs. So first I'm going to find the number of edges between two graphs are one-to-one correspondence. I mean we can do the mapping between u1 u4 to v1 v2, u1 u5 to v1 v3, u1 u6 to v1 v6, u2 u5 to v4 v3, u2 u4 to v4 v2, u2 u6 to v4 v6, u3 u6 to v5 v6, u3 u4 to v5 v2, u3 u5 to v5 v3. So we can do the mapping between all these edges here. So we can say that there is a one-to-one correspondence between all the edges of both the graphs. So now we'll check for the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices. So we can do the mapping for u1 v1, u2 v4, u3 v5, v4 u4 v2, u5 v3, and u6 v6. So we observe that there is a one-to-one correspondence between both edges as well as vertices. So hence we can say that these two graphs are isomorphic, and we have to note that the first graph will be called as a complete bipartite graph because it's an k3,3 graph. I mean because the value of r is equal to 3 here and the value of s is equal to 3, and the second graph will be and just drawing of k3,3. I mean it's just an image of the complete bipartite graph. One more example, show that the following graphs are not isomorphic. So we can see that the first condition is the number of vertices in these graphs are same. I mean the first graph contains 4 vertices and the second graph contains 4 vertices, but the number of edges in the graphs are not same because this graph consisting of 6 edges and this graph consisting of 7 edges. So with this condition we can say these two graphs are not isomorphic. The same thing I explained here also. So next, show that the following graphs are not isomorphic. So we can see that this graph consisting of 6 vertices and this graph consisting of 6 vertices, and the number of edges of both the graphs are same here, but the degree sequence are not same for both the graphs. So with this condition we can say that these two graphs are isomorphic, not isomorphic, because that the two graphs are 6 vertices and 9 edges, but the first graph having 2 vertices of degree 4 and the second graph having 3 vertices of degree 4. So therefore there is no degree sequence between both the graphs, and so obviously it will be no one-to-one correspondence between both the graphs here. So with this condition we can say that two graphs are not isomorphic. Thank you.